Like I was saying, that our math is the relationship of how the energy of a heat pump works. If this was a heat pump and this is a sealed tube, and we had a plunger in between, and I pushed down extremely hard and trapping that energy down here in this very small area, then it would expand all this proportionately to the amount of energy here. When you look at different types of energy, when we have an explosion that goes up, the energy within the earth being denser seems to have a same relationship on release or relaxing coming back. So if energy was to come back through a density fence, it would create a equalized, balanced coming home. Maybe is.